Welcome back to First Seasons, everybody. It is week 23 and we are standing on the roof. I figured why not start the video a little bit differently, because I'm different and the house is different today because we are watertight. This is the first layer of Torchon that's going on here. We have the base layer of the Torchon membrane down and it is looking fantastic. This is going to keep everybody beneath us nice and dry. The reason why we don't put the top cap on right away is the same reason when we're doing an asphalt shingle house, we have our roofer come and just put down either peel and stick or Tyvek, I can't remember the name of it off the top of my head right now, that goes underneath the shingles so that we have the house waterproof, but we don't have the finished product on. And the reason being is the plumbers need to come through and drill a whole bunch of holes through this, well, not a whole bunch hopefully, but they gotta drill a bunch of holes to bring all of the vents for the plumbing through the roof. And then we also need to have holes for the exhaust fans, for the hood fan, for the kitchen, and for the bathroom exhaust fans. All of those suckers will come out through the roof as well. So fantastic something to have done. And now if you're wondering how fast these guys can bang this off, they started laying the Torchon down yesterday morning, and this is where we're at today, which is Wednesday. So not even 2 days and boom, done. Watertight, looking great. And I mean, look at the backdrop. That's pretty too, hey? So the team has gone through and laid down 1/2-inch square edge on top of the existing shiplap floor. That's all getting screwed to the joist below so we eliminate any potential for squeaks. The gold standard is to remove all the shiplap and then glue and screw the plywood to the actual floor joist itself. However, clients didn't want to pay to remove the shiplap. Gotta respect that. So we've made it really good. It should probably be perfect, but no guarantees unless you do gold standard stuff, right? So is what it is. But how clean and how big and open is this? Now that we've got this subfloor all in, we can now start thinking about framing interior walls and making some real action happen on the inside of this home. And again, we're watertight, so now this home is gonna start really drying out. And that is a very exciting step in this project. That's a wrap on today, everybody. If you have a home you've been dreaming about renovating, we would love to be your partners in success. Please reach out, phone number, website, contact us. We'd love to work with you. In the meantime, please like the video, subscribe to the channel if you'd be so kind, and stay awesome. Thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one. Bye now.